Now, in the latest sign of weakness in the world's second largest economy, China's exports, they've suffered their third month of decline, pointing to a dimmer outlook for Chinese manufacturers as the trade war with the United States drags on. China's customs data showing that exports fell 0.9% in October from a year earlier. It's not as bad as analysts had predicted, though. They had thought that it was going to be 3.9%. But it's also better than the 3.2% contraction seen in September. Imports, too, registered a sixth straight month of decline. October imports down 6.4% on year, but smaller than September's decline of 8.5%. Now, this has left China with a larger than expected total trade surplus of close to $43 billion in October. With the U.S. in particular, customs data also shows a widening trade surplus, meaning that China is still exporting more to the U.S. than it's importing. China's trade surplus with the U.S., a thorny issue with the White House, rose 2% in October from the previous month. Beijing and Washington have been locked in a trade feud for more than a year now, but hopes have risen that an initial deal may be signed soon, rolling back some of the tariffs that have hurt China's manufacturers.